sa DepEd, no, mag-provide po siya of mga job opportunities sa mga bata. Once they are job opportunities and even scholarship programs, no, makakatag sa mga athletes once they get into college, even after college.
Right.
One of the problems that we are facing in school is budget. No? So, ang sports man good is kinahanglan siya kung dako ang budget. So, sumod kay we have to procure equipment, sports materials, and also we have to fund the training of our student athletes. And also, trainers, we also have to and get trainers from the outside. Okay, our teachers cannot do a full-time job in the training without providing appropriate skills for our student athletes, like for gymnastics or dance sports, for example. Even in mga ball games, mag-require na siya ng skilled na trainers. If ever na you need to win in the provincial and regional competition, alarong pambansa. So that requires money.